When we launch a balloon to the edge of space, we want to see everything. How the balloon separates from the deployment bag, any anomalies in the balloon, and most important, did anything unexpected happen? We've started filming our launches with drones. This gives us a fantastic view of the takeoff. This is a video of one of those launches. This mission carried hundreds of student projects and tested high-altitude airship components at the edge of space. It also gave us a really great view of our desert launch facility, Area 42. This is the same launch seen from the ground. And we've arrived at our destination. There's the balloon burst. Nothing left now but the ride down. Thanks for watching.